We're going to do a quick overview of Wekiva Island's Winter Wonderland, which is only a $5 admission fee. So let's show you everything there is. All right, today we're at Wekiva Island. We're going to show you just a quick highlight of everything to do here, the lights, the trees, and who are we going to meet?
Santa.
Santa! All right.
And we got this Christmas tree. And we have one in front of us.
Look at that. That is huge.
Yeah.
It's the first time having Santa's workshop.
They decorated it all inside.
In a workshop. We today we're working on doll houses.
It's cute.
I mean, we got 100 more. Get to work. I'm only kidding. You guys are doing a great job. And all the furniture too. Yeah. Oh, that is perfect.
See, look, they're making the toys, buddy.
A little scooter. How many of these did we make so far? We're gonna need a lot of those. Yeah. We're gonna need 300 scooters. That's good. So we're gonna put an engine on a couple of those too.
Say hi to Santa.
Ooh, you're hiding your badge. Ooh.
He's hiding it because that's his dad's name.
Oh, your dad's cool though.
Tell him your name.
Jack.
Jack.
Jack?
Jack,
Jack. Oh, that's good. Hey, Jack. How you been? You all ready for Christmas? All right, I'm ready for Christmas too. Me and Buddy, we were working on the sleigh all day today, so I'm a little tired because the sleigh, you know, the little widget. What was it? Buddy knows what it is, but we couldn't get the engine on the sleigh working quite right. So Mrs. Claus cleaned me up. I had to put some new clothes on because I was all greasy from working on the sleigh. Did you see my office? And I got my to-do list up there so I could remember what to do. All the letters for me. I read them. I fed the reindeers today already once. So.
Oh, good.
Feed the reindeer. Gonna pack the sleigh, but I said we're gonna start packing the sleigh, but we had to fix it first, so we're still working on the sleigh. Pretty good, but yeah, this is where we're all year long. We work in here looking at letters and reading them, and I got my naughty book and my nice book. And by the way, you guys are in a good book, so that's good. You see Rudolph? Yeah.
Oh, an elf on the shelf.
Yeah.
Yep.
And I got all my guys' names up there, Dancer and Dasher and Prancer and the whole group.
If you have kids, I definitely recommend checking out his workshop. It was the biggest highlight going to Wekiva Island. The decorations were so detailed, and we got quite a few pictures with both Santa and Mrs. Claus. Now, we were media, but I do hope that whoever gets to go has plenty of time with him. Merry Christmas.
Good job, Mrs. Claus.
Thank you.
Good job.
I love the reindeer. They're so cute.
Hey, am I allowed to give you a
Oh yeah, say thank you. Straight from the North Pole. Thank you so much. I know, I love your chair.
Oh, now you went crooked with the sideways.
Cookies.
Those are cookies. Do you see cookies? They got gingerbread cookies. They've got little houses over here and a fireplace. Cookies. Those look delicious, don't they, buddy? So this is a great option for kids. I'm going to show you some of the things outside too, but this is that bakery. Then you have the main area with the elves, Santa's little office, and then time with Santa, Mrs. Claus, and the elves. They are out there working hard. What's your favorite toy you've made so far?
I really enjoy making the dollhouse.
Okay, that's fair. That's fair.
My sister loves playing with dolls.
Yeah, his sister does. And what was yours? Oh, the scooters. She's making a scooter. Isn't that cool? Yeah. And what was yours? Which one? Oh yeah, super cute. I love that. Buddy Boy loves little trains and stuff. That's super cute. You guys are so talented. So we were waiting until 7 o'clock for Santa to light up all the trees, which is something really fun to see. But one thing that's good to know is that this event donates to Kids House of Seminole. So you can bring new and unwrapped toys to the island from November 23rd through December 6th. The elves will gift wrap all the presents so that way it can go to the community. Now they only had one place for food. That was a little, I don't know if it was a food truck, but they did have a bunch of options and of course a big bar. Mainly underneath Santa's Santa's workshop was a bar so you can have different drinks. There were stilt walkers for entertainment. With admission only being $5, it's definitely one of the cheaper things to do in Florida, but select events do require an additional ticket, so you'll have to check out the website. They do have breakfast with Santa, they have Rudolph characters, face painters, outdoor movies, and I even saw something about the Grinch. They mentioned a general store, and the thing I found was in the bar next to the people sitting, there were some things to buy, but it was really tight. So I'm not sure if this is the store they were talking about, but they had some really cute things, some really cute Christmas things, either as a gift or for yourself. They even had a lump of cold bath bomb. This huge Grinch was actually pretty cool. Some dad jokes. They had these gnomes or elves over here, and I believe they were going to play some live music. Guys, you have to wake up 24 times. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. What about the big one? The big one. Uh-oh. There we go. Alright, so it's like a really pretty tree trail, but everyone goes in and probably best to wait it out if you can.
Look up!
So which tree do you like? Do you like the little ones or the big one? Both? So this is their Christmas tree forest, and that big one is 24 feet tall. Buddy Boy was dragging me all along, but of course we like that big one. Now at this complex you can usually enjoy Florida's natural springs. They offer kayak and canoe, paddleboard rentals, and then this little island, which is not technically an island, but it's 2,000 square feet. So that is about all for this one, but if you want to see other things to do in Florida for Christmas, please check out our other videos. So far we have been to SeaWorld, Universal, Legoland, Island H2O, which is a water park, and stay tuned as we'll be going to other places like Busch Gardens, of course Disney, and some other local things we can find. But this is one of the cheaper things to do, especially since you don't need theme park admission.
Stay up and subscribe
Go to our channel and subscribe.
and subscribe. Wait. Before you cut this video, then make sure to like, comment, subscribe to this video so we can make more in here.
That's very true. Good point, Jack. Click these videos next, the top one being the Asian Lantern Festival, which is only $20 a ticket and it is gorgeous. And the bottom one being Island H2O, which is something that's a little bit different than a standard theme park Christmas event. And both are great for all ages.